So dear student, now we will discuss worksheet number 6 word problem and page number 99. So in this worksheet the first question is Raju got rupees 50.45 as pocket money from his father. He spent rupees 16.25 on ice cream. Then how much money is left with him? So in this question, Raju's father gave him money 50 rupees 45 paise and he spent 16 rupees 25 paise on ice cream. Then now we are going to find how much money is left with Raju now. So first of all we will write Raju got money, that is 50 rupees 45 paise. 50 rupees 45 paise. Raju spent money. So how much he has spent? He has spent rupees 16 rupees 25 paise. Now Raju left money. So how much he have left now with him? So in this question we will subtract again 5 minus 5 0, 4 minus 2 2, and we cannot subtract 6 from 0, so we borrow from 5, so here becomes 10, 10 minus 6 it is 4, now 4 minus 1 it is 3. So now Raju has money 34 rupees 20 paise with him. And next there is B part. Missy Renu bought 2.750 milliliter of milk. She used 1.5 liter milk for making curd. Find the quantity of milk left. So how much milk Renu has bought? So we will write the problem like this. Renu bought milk, that is 2.750 liter, 2 liters 750 milliliter. So Renu used milk. So she has used 1.5 liter, 1.5 liter. So it is not in, so we can write it as 1.500 liter. So we will convert this into like decimal. So Renu left milk. So how much milk she has left? So again we will subtract 0 minus 0 0, 5 minus 0 5, 7 minus 5 2, and 2 minus 1 it is 1. So Renu left milk, that is 1 liter 250 milliliter. And that's, there is part number C. Rahul weighs 52.25 kg. His brother weighs 4.5 kg less than Rahul. Find the weight of his brother. So in this question weight of Rahul is given and how much his brother has less weight than Rahul, that is also given. And now we are going to find the weight of his brother. What is the weight of his brother? So we will write Rahul has weight. So Rahul has weight, that is 52.525 kilogram. So brother has less weight. So brother has less weight than Rahul. So how much? That is 4.5 kg. 4.5 kg. So we convert this into like decimal, so we place 2 zeros here. So now we are going to find the weight of his brother. So weight of brother, that is equal to, so this is the weight of Rahul and his brother has 4.4 kg 500 gram less than Rahul. Now weight of brother, that is equal to, so we will subtract 5 minus 0 5, 2 minus 0 2, 5 minus 5 0, then 4 is smaller than 2, so we cannot subtract, so we borrow from 5, it is 12, 12 minus 4 8, and here becomes 4. So weight of his brother, that is 48 kg 25 gram. Okay. And next there is D part. Amit travelled a distance of 15 kilometers 55 meters. If he travelled 12.400 kilometers by bus and the rest by scooter. So find the distance covered by scooter. So Amit travelled a total distance. So first of all we will write how much he have travelled total distance. So Amit travelled total distance. So that is 15.55 kilometer. He travelled by bus. So Amit travelled by bus. So he has travelled 12.400 kilometer by bus. So here we see that both are not in like decimals. So we will convert them into like decimals. So we place 1 0 here. So now find the distance covered by scooter, and the rest distance he had covered by scooter. So Amit travelled by scooter. So again we will subtract this from total distance. So it is 0 minus 0 0, 5 minus 0 5, 5 minus 4 1, and 5 minus 2 it is 3, and 1 minus 1 0. So Amit travelled 3 kilometer and 150 meter by scooter. And in the last, there is E part. Neha saw a doll in the showcase of a shop. The cost of the doll was 75 rupees 35 paise. She wanted to buy it. What she had, rupees 4.75 or 4 rupees 75 paise less than the cost of the doll. So how much money did Neha have? So Neha, the cost of the doll is given, that is 75 rupees 35 paise, and how much she has less than the cost, that is also given, and we are going to find how much money Neha has. So cost of the doll, that is 75 rupees 35 paise. So Neha have less money. Neha has less money. So how much she has less? That is 4.75, 4 rupees 75 paise. Now we are going to find how much money Neha have. So Neha have money So we will subtract this from the cost of the doll, that is 5 minus 5 0, 13 minus 7 6, and 4 minus 4 0, and it is 7. So Neha has money 70 rupees 60 paise. So this is about worksheet number 6, the word problem of subtraction of decimals. So thank you.